Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through exactly how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats or messages. This process relies on your backup file, so let's jump right into it. Before we do anything drastic, we need to make sure you actually have a saved point to return to. A backup must have been created before you deleted the messages. Open WhatsApp and tap on Settings, usually at the bottom right or top right depending on your phone. Tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. Look at the date and time listed here. If the backup is from before you deleted the chat, you can recover it. To force WhatsApp to read that backup file, we have to reset the app completely. Exit the app, go to your home screen, and hold down on the WhatsApp icon. Select Remove App or Uninstall to delete it from your phone. Note, any messages you received after that last backup date will be lost during this process, so keep that in mind. Now, open your App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp Messenger, and download it again. This is the crucial step where your deleted messages come back. Open the newly installed app and begin the setup process by verifying your phone number. During setup, a prompt will appear asking if you want to restore your chat history. You must tap Restore right here. If you skip it, you can't get it back later. Once the initialization is complete, your old chats and deleted messages should be visible again. And that's it. You have successfully rolled back your WhatsApp to recover those lost texts. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.